Let me thank you for a very kind words, and particularly about the Honorable Tower Dual Carriageway nearing completion. You asked about if there will be defecting, and if I have plans to defect within. Okay, so let's situate the question properly. If you remember, I joined the Labour Party before Peter Obi. Okay, so I did join Labour Party with him, and he has communicated me that he was leaving Labour Party, and I gave him my blessings that I remain in Labour Party. And I told him that I'll have to continue the struggle to rescue the Labour Party. That is the party that brought me to power. If we fight and get to the end, we can rescue the Labour Party, then we can now discuss options. But for now, I am not defecting with him.